Frugal people are known for their careful and mindful approach to spending and consumption. They avoid overspending and buying unnecessary items, as they value their financial resources and do not want to waste them on things they do not need. Frugal people also avoid accumulating excess possessions. They recognize that having too many things can lead to clutter and waste, and they prioritize quality over quantity. When it comes to the items they own, they are not afraid to get rid of things that no longer serve a purpose in their lives, and they are careful about what they bring into their homes. In addition to avoiding overspending and excess possessions, frugal people also avoid financial waste. This may include high-interest credit card debt, as well as impulse purchases that are not planned for or budgeted for. They are mindful about their spending habits and make sure that their money is going towards things that are truly important to them. Furthermore, frugal people avoid activities or behaviors that are expensive and do not align with their values or goals. For example, they may avoid excessive dining out or overconsumption of material goods. Instead, they focus on finding joy and fulfillment through experiences and relationships, rather than material possessions. They prioritize their time and energy, and are careful not to let frivolous expenses distract them from what truly matters. Overall, frugal people avoid behaviors and activities that do not align with their values of financial responsibility and mindful consumption. By avoiding these things, they are able to live a fulfilling and satisfying life on their own terms. They are able to save money, declutter their lives, and focus on what truly brings them happiness and fulfillment.